Hello friends, today we will discuss about butterfly mine that are likely deployed by Russia in Ukraine. So this is the picture of butterfly mine that are used by Russia against Ukraine. So let's start our study. First of all, we have intelligence assessment. An intelligence bulletin by UK Ministry of Defense has said that Russia is likely to have deployed anti-personnel mine in the Ukraine war in the eastern region, that is Donetsk and Kramatorsk. Russia has likely attempted employment of PFM-1 and PFM-1S scatterable anti-personnel mine, commonly called butterfly mine. First of all, we have PFM-1 series are deeply controversial, indiscriminate weapon, and PFM-1S were used to devastating effect in Soviet-Afghan war, where they allegedly maimed high number of children who mistook them for toys. The bulletin said. जो ये बटरफ्लाई माइन है, इससे जो स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट होते हैं और वो उनको टॉय समझकर उठा लेते हैं तो और वो ब्लास्ट हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. It added that it is highly likely that the Soviet era stock being used by Russia will degraded over time and is now unreliable and unpredictable. So इतने टाइम के बाद जो रसिया बटरफ्लाई माइन का यूज़ कर रहा है उनको लगभग 180 के एरा में यूज़ किया गया था इन सोवियत अफगान वॉर. अब उनके बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम बीत गया, उनको डिग्रेड हो गए होंगे वे और जिससे वो कभी भी ब्लास्ट हो सकते हैं. The butterfly mine, the PFM-1N and PFM-1S are two kind of anti-personnel landmine that are referred to as butterfly mine or green parrots. These are also called green parrots. These names are derived from their shape and color because we have seen in the picture these mines are of green color and the shape is likely to be a parrot. The main difference between them is between PFM-1 and PFM-1S mine is that later come with a self-destruction mechanism which gets activated within 240 hours. So this is the basic difference in between PFM-1 and PFM-1S. Because of the relative lesser explosion packed in small mine, it is often injure and maims the handler rather than killing them. जो ये कभी कभी तो ये जब हम इसको प्लांट करेंगे तो ये उसी टाइम की आपका ब्लास्ट हो जाए तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रक्टिव है. दिस माइन आर आल्सो डिफिकल्ट टू डिटेक्ट एज दे आर मेड ऑफ प्लास्टिक और ये प्लास्टिक से बने हुए सो इसको डिटेक्ट कर पाना भी बहुत ही मुश्किल काम है. कैन इवेड मेटल डिटेक्टर्स. दिस माइन कैन बी डिप्लॉयड इन द फील्ड ऑफ द एक्शन थ्रू सेवरल मीन्स. हम इसको कैसे डिप्लॉय कर सकते हैं? लाइक बीइंग ड्रॉप्ड फ्रॉम हेलीकॉप्टर्स और थ्रू बैलिस्टिक डिस्पर्जन यूजिंग आर्टिलरी एंड मोर्टर सेल. They glide to ground without exploding and later explode on contact. Since these mines were green in color, they were first put to use. They also earn the name green parrots. That's why they are called green parrots. What are technical specifications? The PFM series mine are molded in polythene plastic and have two wings, one of which heavier than other. First wing है वो हाई heavier होती है. Second wing, the thicker wing is pressure activation for main fuse which is contained in the central body. The thinner wings act as a stabilizer for the mine when it is air dropped, thus giving the name butterfly. As we all know that अगर हम इस लैंड माइन को ऊपर से ड्रॉप करेंगे तो क्या बताइए हवा में फट जाए, लेकिन जो उसका एक साइड का हैवियर है विंग और दूसरी साइड एक लाइटर विंग होता है वो उसको बैलेंस करता है और वो हवा में नहीं फटते. The thinner wing act as a stabilizer for the mine when it is air dropped. So the thinner wing होता है वो stabilizer के रूप में काम करता है. As per data available on a mine, a pressure exceeding 5 kilo will activate the mine which contain 40 gram of explosive. So these are the information for butterfly mine that are used by Russia in Ukraine war to stop the movement of the people from Donetsk to Ukraine. So if you like this video, don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.